Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for ya. This time I got a baggie in the mail, so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got this time. So if you have seen in a previous video, I unboxed this bag here. It is the Louis Vuitton Porte Documents Jour in the vert acide color, which is basically a very bright yellow, as you guys can see. And it did not come with a strap. It did not come with a luggage tag. And so I needed something to decorate this bag with. But first of all, let's go ahead and remove the tags because I do not plan on returning it. So let me remove the tag with you guys. So these tags are basically the certificate of authenticity from fashionphile. And basically a tag saying, remove the tag, own the bag. So I'm gonna remove it. Here's my blade. I'm gonna be very careful so I don't cut the bag itself. Okay. Oh, there you go. Alright, so there are the tags being cut off. So now I officially own this bag, and I couldn't be more happy because it's such a beautiful bag and I got such a great deal on it. So yeah, so let me just show you guys a few things before I continue. So I showed you guys this bag before. It's adorned with a matching luggage tag. Has my initials on it. So it did not come with the bag originally. My SA at the time, he found this for me. It was attached to, I think, the keep all in the same leather. And he was able to find it and he gave it to me actually for free. So that was amazing. This bag also has a luggage tag, as you can see. So this is the Porte Documents Voyage in the classic size. And yeah, so this one did come with a luggage tag as well. I do not have it hot stamped, but maybe down the road I will. But yeah, isn't that such a beautiful color? But this guy has nothing. So it did not even come with a strap. And so, like I mentioned in a previous video where I unboxed it from fashionphile, that's where I got it from, I am planning to use, so here is another bag that I have, which is the same bag in the Porte Documents Jour line in the damier graphite. But this one has the strap with it, and I thought it'd be a really great match or really great, you know, attachment if I use this strap with this bag. Okay, so now I have a strap and I have the bag. Now I have to figure, so I'll just put this back so you guys have seen it already. And this one, I have a ton of black or graphite colored luggage tags. So this one is definitely, you know, I could decorate it all day long. But this one, however, no luggage tag, and yellow luggage tags are very hard to find. And yeah, any luggage tags nowadays, I have heard. I mean, I have not asked my SA lately for any luggage tags, but I have heard that luggage tags are, they're putting a stop to it as far as anybody, even me probably, won't be able to get a luggage tag, not unless, you know, I have a piece that originally came with a luggage tag, which I have a few. But for instance, if I wanted a luggage tag in a special color, or like those luggage tags in the canvas material, I probably would not be able to get that. Okay, so back to what I have here, which is a bag that I just received. And let me go ahead and open it up with you. Be very careful here again, because this is plastic. Okay. Okay. Let me see what this is. So that is a PayPal invoice. So I did find this item, and so here is the item right here. I found it on the Louis Vuitton Facebook group. Oh, and here is a thank you card. And it just says, "Dear Rod, thank you so very much for your purchase. Enjoy your ... So I did not say the last couple words because that would totally give it away. So here's the item. I'm going to carefully cut it open. Make sure I don't cut the item itself. Ugh. So it is in a Ziploc, because you don't know if it's going to rain or not. So I really appreciate it when people you know, put it in a plastic bag. Okay, so here is the item. If you can see, it is a Louis Vuitton item. Let me open this with you guys. Here is the dust bag. You guys have any clue what it could be yet? And I have gotten some tips on what people like as far as unboxings, and that is basically not to reveal what the item is in the title of the video or in the description of the video. So I'm not going to do that moving forward. I'm just going to basically reveal it in the video itself. So here, let me see. So here is the item. Could you see something peeking out? Alright, let me show a little bit more. So this is white in color. Let me show you. Any more guesses? I got the, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So this is the, what is it called again? The Totem luggage tag. And as you can see, there is some yellow there. There is a little bit yellow down here as well. And there is some light blue, some red, and of course the white. And so I got this luggage tag. Let me just put it on the bag so you guys can see it. Okay. And this matches pretty nicely. So it's not completely yellow, but it's close enough. Alright, and there you go. So yeah, such a great looking luggage tag. So I'm not sure if this was available as a standalone item, or if it came with you know, the purchase of a bag or not. But I do remember seeing it. I know there are a few YouTubers and Instagrammers that have this tag, but I just never was able to find it, not until I found it on the Facebook group, and it is basically in brand new condition. Excuse me, but let me go ahead and take it off again, and let me show you the tag a little bit closer. So yeah, I got this primarily to match with this bag. Let me put this bag away. But let me see. So I mean, I could probably match it with this bag as well. And even this bag, because there is some blue in there as well. It's just really cool and really fun to have tags that, you know, are fun in color. But let me take this off and let me show you the inside real quick. And a little bit more detail of the bag, or the tag rather. Okay, so, oh look, it has the original tag on here. So this was originally purchased, if I could take it out, I'm going to be very careful. So here is the original tag. if it'll focus. Oh my goodness, come on. There you go. So there is the tag. It says that it originally cost 1,400 AED. So I think that's from, this was originally purchased in Dubai. And I'm not really sure of the conversion. You guys could do that yourself, but the listing said that this originally cost about $400. And so if this tag has, you know, this original price tag or the item number, I presume this was a piece that you could purchase by itself. Alright, so let me show you the inside because it is a beautiful blue color in there, which matches this little leather up here. But yeah, this is just such an amazing tag, and right now people are, I mean, I'm not reselling any of my tags, but I do have quite a few of them because I do plan to eventually, you know, figure out what I want to hot stamp on them, because it's so fun to decorate your bags, and yeah, I like doing that. But okay, so that's all I really wanted to show you guys with this video. I hope you guys like the tag. I really do, and I'm definitely gonna wear it with this bag. So yeah, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or anything like that, please leave them down below as well. And until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.